Hello everybody, I'm Scott Weiss with Purple Wave Auction. I'm the District Director of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska. We're here today in Crescent, Iowa, right outside of Omaha. Neuvirth Construction has been a great partner with Purple Wave for several years, and we have a nice package coming from them here. I'm going to turn this over now to our local territory manager, Mike Schnelly, who covers eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa.
I'm standing in front of a 644 John Deere wheel loader. We don't got one of these, we got 4 of these. I'm gonna hand this over to Jason and he's gonna give you a walkthrough over this.
So right here on this 644P wheel loader, we've got a 120-inch wide bucket on this one. You got auxiliary hydraulics here, and then you've also got your hydraulic quick coupler, which is a key attribute on this unit. You got the hydraulics up here, and you can see there's not a lot of wear on those. And same way with your hydraulics and pins down here. On this particular unit, it has a little over 2,200 hours on it. There's not a lot of wear in on this one. It's well maintained, and you still got a lot of life left in it. And another thing to point out on this unit is the backup camera that we have right here. It's got a removable counterweights on the rear end. Real nice unit.
I'm standing in front of an 815 Cat compactor. It's kind of a unique piece with about 7,000 hours on it. I'll pass it over to Jason, he can give you a run through on it.
And then here we got this Caterpillar compactor. This one has a 147-inch wide front blade. It's got 4 38-inch wide rollers that still got a lot of life left in their pad feet. This unit has 7,800 hours on it. Check it out at purplewave.com on July 31st.
You guys want excavators? We got excavators. Besides these 3 big boys right here, we got 3 smaller ones. I'll pass it over to Jason and he's gonna give you a rundown on the key points.
All 3 of these buckets are fabricated right here on site by Crown Fabrication. All 3 of these units feature a 12-foot, 6-inch long stick on them. And one thing to mention, all 3 of these come equipped with a hydraulic quick coupler to easily remove your buckets and change them out if you need to. Triple pad grousers, and there's a lot of depth left in them. One of the John Deere machines features the auto lube system right up there. And then from there, we go in and check out our grousers. And if you look at these, there's still a lot of life left in them. There's a lot of depth left on your tracks, and all of them come equipped with track guards. These excavators are ready to go for your next big project on purplewave.com.